Hello all. Hope you all are doing well. My name is Sanjala Diwan, working as a software developer at Untitled Technologies Private Limited. As you know, we are going to discuss about how to launch your call center business. Launching your own revenue generating channel can be challenging at the start, but definitely highly rewarding. Nothing can be more satisfying than living your own dream of leading and owning your business, time, and efforts. From this webinar, you can get a perfect start to learning business model in this industry and choosing the right path to launch a sustainable and successful business. So, what is call center and call center software? A call center is a centralized department that handles inbound and outbound calls from current and potential customers. Call centers are located either within an organization or outsourced to another company that specializes in handling calls. Talking about call center software, it is a system that allows businesses to manage multiple communication channels such as phone, email, live chat, instant messaging, SMS text, and socialized media. It can be used as a part of a customer support or help desk software with a ticketing feature to help agents respond to customer queries and resolve issues. It's basically a central human experience to worry about calling up a company's call center to fix a problem or ask a question. That's why the business that can provide an organized and effortless customer service experience through their call centers end up beating out their competition. And call center nowadays is not only limited to calling. It can have multiple features apart from it. Here are some interesting facts about the customer service and call center. Do you know the global call center market accounts for revenue of 27.1 billion US dollar in 2022 and is projected to attain a market worth of 55.5 billion US dollar by the end of 2029. Demand for call centers is predicted to surge at a high compound annual growth rate of 10.8% from 22 to 29. According to one study, 40% of American customers stopped doing business with a company after a poor customer service experience. 96% of customers say that customer service is an essential factor that affects their choices. They only choose services where they get proper customer service through call centers. 36% of call centers are set up using cloud technology. Cloud-based call centers report having 27% less downtime. So that was some brief statistics of call center business. Now, the call center industry has been growing in leaps and bounds for many years. In the past few years, radical changes have been witnessed in this industry due to multiple driving factors like shifting the focus towards client-centric business, enhancing features in the call center solution, increasing the importance of constant revenue generating stream increase, and many more. With increasing call center business opportunity, small to mid-sized businesses as well as enterprises from distinctive industries are opting for call center software as one of the major objectives on their success roadmap. Call centers are meant to support one or more business objectives. So before we go to start a call center, make sure we have a clear understanding of that. Say, your business goal is to increase customer engagement and retention. Deploying a call center technology makes an absolute sense. A bad early experience can create a lasting impression, and a lost client is almost impossible to get back. According to Forbes research, you only have 7 seconds to make a good first impression. So an intuitively designed call flows allows you the ideal place to start. Talking about FCR, first call resolution. Customers want support and to have their needs taken care of quickly, the last thing they want is to have to repeat information they have already supplied to multiple agents. So FCR is one of the most important steps to customer satisfaction. To determine whether your contact center is offering quality customer service, you need to take an in-depth look at your call center metrics. According to data collected by the Accent Group, you can improve your call center performance by up to 30% by measuring your FCR for a year. It also increases efficiency. There is no doubt that cloud-based technology are set to be the way of future. To increase efficiency, contact centers are moving forward and embracing modern technologies, inefficient traditional on-site PBX system behind. Another way to increase efficiency is to reduce staff turnover. Keeping a solid team helps reduce training time and costs and helps to monitor productivity in longer term. Technology tools have helped business to thrive in a highly competitive and demanding environment. Technology has invented multiple tools to meet each specific business need. In the call center industry, technology companies have invented the best call center solution for different campaigns. Launching your own business can give you wings to meet your professional goals at double speed. You can be your own boss, and what is even more important is that it can boost your earnings. Having your business can help you put full caliber upfront and increase revenue generation to increase returns over investment. There are multiple options to launch and run a successful business. One of the most profitable options is launching your own call center business using a call center solution. For launching a call center, it should have proper billing solution, automate and streamline various jobs related to billing for its users. It should have amazing features to deliver an excellent customer experience with accurate billing without spending manpower in accounting and billing. To launch a call center, it should have a software that should be re-owned for its unified communication support and automation in call center operations. It can also have broadcasting features that has an integrated broadcasting solution that lets you send a voice message to all target audiences without involving agents. It should also have PBX features which includes park or grab, speed dial, call transfer and forwarding, music on hold, extension dialing, multiple call handling, simultaneous ringing, voicemail, etc. It must be integrated with Omnichannel platform to get in touch with customers. For example, we might have a client who requires 5 agent seats and another requires Omnichannel solution. There can be one more user who needs broadcasting solution. So the requirements of customer can be fulfilled by providing a separate tenant to each one of them. This is where multi-tenant plays a crucial role in which a single instance of a software application serves multiple customers and each customer is called as a tenant. So here I have made some points to discuss on it. Let me show you. Here are the key points which we are going to be talking about. Firstly, we will see about single tenant and multi-tenant. After that, I will explain what are setups and scalability for the call center. There are also various kinds of business models which will be explained in brief. Then we have a product named iCallify which can fulfill your requirements of call center business. So we'll showcase you some unique selling points of it. After that, if you are interested and want to try, that will show you how to get started with iCallify. Finally, question and round where you can ask your query in comment box. Now, The call center business is quite in demand and launching the business has also become very easy. Acquiring the best and most intelligent call center software is not difficult or even that expensive. All you need to do is having the right plan, the right software and the right technology partner. First, let's talk about the basic features of call center that it must have. First is calling. When you think about outbound call from call center, then it must have a method to do it like manual, auto, predictive, preview and progressive. If you want to do the call one by one, you can use manual dial method. And if you want to do the calling automatically from system, then we can use auto dialing method. In predictive dialing method, system will automatically predict and set dialing ratio based on logged in agent count and lead quality. Progressive method is useful to handle missed calls more carefully. In progressive method, system will first connect the call to agent and once agent is available to talk, then it will connect call to the customer. To facilitate agents to view the customer information before dialing, preview method is used. So these are the things that needs to be keep in mind for doing outgoing calls. Now let's see about what should be the features when we need incoming calls. First, it should have proper queue management and routing of reordered numbers. In call center, the incoming calls should manage properly and it should distribute in proper manner to agent so your customer does not have to wait in a long queue. For that, it can have a proper ACD, that is automatic call distribution. It instantly attends the call and puts them into an effective call queue to connect the customer to the most suitable agent. ACD solution supports different types of call routing strategies to intelligently route inbound calls to the agent depending on various criteria such as skill, time, customer type, etc. ACD solution also makes sure that all agents receive equal and fair opportunity to work productively. Intelligent call routing in ACD ensures that the call is assigned to the agent that can increase first call resolution without hampering other KPIs. This enhances inbound call management as well as agent performance. An ideal call center should have proper method of ACD for incoming calls like random, round robin, POS call, agent ranking, etc. as every call is important. Now let's see how we can start with call center business. You can take advantage of various flexible methods to accomplish the business goals. Once you define the type of business you want to run, the next step is to think about technical infrastructure. Depending on your business model, you need a single tenant or multi-tenant contact center solution. In both cases, you can use an Omni-Channel contact center solution and a cloud-based solution to leverage the advantages related to using them. Discussing about single server setup. Single tenancy is an architecture in which a single instance of a software application and supporting infrastructure serves one customer only. Unlike single tenancy, in multi-tenancy, a single instance of a software application serves multiple customers. In multi-tenant architecture, each customer shares the same database and application as you can see in the picture. The architecture has become an industry standard for enterprise environment and that is popular one to launch a call center business. Multi-tenant SaaS architecture is based on the B2B system in which two or even more parties can collaborate on the same activity at the same time. Now, let's move ahead and elaborate more about setups and scalability which a call center has. When we are talking about the setup of call center, then it could have different setups as you can see in the picture. It can have single server setup, distributed setup and cluster setup. Let me explain one by one. Initiating with single server configuration, all server components run on the same computer. A single server configuration is useful on multiple processor computers and in small scale or development environments. In single server setup, all the entities like UI, database and telephone servers lies on the same server. Distributed refers to splitting the call centers on different machines. In the distributed setup, all the entities will lie on the different servers, which means we can have UI on separate server, database on separate, and telephony server will be all on different servers. But still, they are stay connected with each other to complete a task of call center. Cluster refers to a group of servers that are grouped together to achieve the same business and can be considered as one computer. Cluster systems are similar to parallel systems because both systems use multiple CPUs. The primary difference is that clustered systems are made up of two or even more independent systems linked together. They have independent computer system and a shared storage media, and all systems work together to complete the task. In the clustered setup, we can have multiple servers of single service like we can have multiple UI, DB or telephony. And most importantly, those all servers can be handled by a single proxy server or IP. Cluster setup can be available in two ways. First with failover and load balancing and without failover and load balancing. With proxy server or IP, we can manage the load balance of a server for any particular service like as an UI, DB or telephony service. Cluster setup can also be done without failover and load balancing. Now let's move to the next point, that is business model types. There are two business models, which is SaaS and PaaS. Firstly, SaaS stands for Solution as a Service, which means it can provide the services to the customer according to their need. They can utilize the solution even without having headache of installing the product on their servers. It will be time efficient and saves the cost too. SaaS is extremely beneficial for those users who just want to use the already hosted services. Talking about PaaS, it stands for Product as a Service, in which user can access the whole product on their own servers, and the efficiency of the product depends upon the server configuration of their system. A call center billing system is a must if you choose the business model based on SaaS or PaaS. It will automate the whole billing process, which is must to run a seamless business. Manual processing of billing would be too complicated. Another option to launch your own business is running a business as a call center software provider to call centers that want to offer customer care, survey, sales and similar services. You can provide them the solution as a service or product as a service to let them run their business while you can make money from your software. The benefit of running this type of business is that the competition will be low or moderate as there are not many providers of this software as a SaaS or PaaS option. A majority of call center software provides offer a licensed solution. This gives you the option to earn more with low competition. The challenge can be finding this type of client. However, this won't be a big challenge as the market is wide open. SaaS can be used in startups or small companies that need to start fast and don't have time to waste on servers or software issues. Applications that are needed frequently and short-term projects which need easy, fast and affordable solutions are the best for the SaaS model. Smart business solutions are the need of the hour. Businesses are increasingly using cloud computing solutions to streamline operation and integrate digital delivery. Understanding how SaaS and PaaS work and utilizing them correctly can make all the difference. Now, as I told you about how to start with call center and what needs to be considered while setting up call center business, you must be wondering how to get a call center software which can fulfill all these needs, right? No need to look anywhere else. We have a ready solution available called iCallify. iCallify is an intelligent call center software which is built using cutting-edge technologies as well as the predictive power of artificial intelligence. It can be white labeled with your branding and logo to offer it as your personalized solution. Let me show you some USPs of iCallify. Have a look at this picture. Here are some USPs which you can see in the image. The major point is that it provides the inbuilt billing and invoicing module. VoIP billing and management solutions are the wisest choices for several providers looking for reliability and carrier-grade performance by providing various services. This may include comprehensive call rates, offer flexible call plans, billing for call usage, prepaid and postpaid. VoIP services to get the maximum business fluidity as the need for voice traffic shoots up. Telecos are searching for alternate means to accommodate the need and service provider to enlarge their leverage and services offering using available network resources. One question arises in everyone's mind. Why to choose a system with billing module for your business? The answer is to get automated billing and invoicing for each and all calls and services which you offer to your customers. Having a customer that is capable of managing complex tasks like processing and organizing everything from billing to payment gateways is a big asset for any business. Along with billing, it also includes features like call rates, call groups, rate cards, and plenty more. Second thing is it provides greater scalability. You can never predict when your business will grow. You can only prepare for it. iCallify is a system that is easily scalable as and when you require without too much effort. Ultimately, better resource management. Since all the processes are taken care of through automation, your employees will never have to focus on the tedious tasks to operate a call center. Instead, their time can be much better utilized with other productive work. The key benefits of using a billing solution for call center software is that it increases efficiency in billing. The call center billing solution automates the accounting, invoicing, and billing process. This eliminates human intervention and possible man-made errors. Moreover, it bills customer as per the defined call plan and rate card as per the billing cycle. Automation and accuracy are the two major contributors towards the utmost efficiency in billing and accounting. It saves resources. Handling accounts and invoicing of call center service user is an error-prone and complicated job. Different tenants may have different volumes of calls. Keeping an account of each tenant and bill users accordingly needs a force of proficient accountants. With a call center billing solution, these resources can be saved to answer customer concerns rather than spending efforts on tedious and complicated billing jobs. It also increases ROI. The call center billing automation will cut down expenses on manpower and other resources. On the other hand, on-time and accurate billing will continue running the revenue channel. This will contribute to increasing your returns over investment up to 40% higher. So considering all these points, iCallify has below features in billing, and it has two types of billing available as well. First is prepaid billing with receipt, and second is postpaid billing with invoice. It has call plan where you can create your own call plan and you can assign it to your company and you can charge them for calls according to that call plan. For billing, you can create origination and termination rate for any particular prepaid and then that can assign to call plans. You can automate invoicing and billing with the billing module of iCallify. Then we have PBX features, which include DSIM, Direct Inward System Access. It allows user to access internal phone numbers and extensions from an external location. Our DSIM-enabled VoIP business phone system offers many benefits over traditional dialing such as speed and convenience. Talking about speed dialing, it is a function available on many telephone systems, allowing the user to place a call by pressing a reduced number of keys. It has a separate option of doing speed dial in iCallify portal. Extension calling and agent forwarding are also prominent features of iCallify. Call forwarding is a feature that lets you direct incoming calls to any other telephone numbers. It can be tailored to your business needs to route call intelligently to your voicemail, another agent or any external number. Forwarding can be done when no calls are answered if an agent is busy or unavailable. It can play IVR when calls need to be forwarded at holidays or week off. Next is broadcasting. It has different kinds of broadcasting available: voice, SMS and email. The voice broadcasting solution of iCallify provides greater control over your call broadcasting campaign with its time condition and break time selection features. You can schedule your campaigns in advance to run the campaigns at the best time. The SMS broadcasting helps in reaching out to the masses and alerts them about the emergency situation such as downtime of a server, change in policy, updated pricing plan, etc. As the message is sent via phone call, it will ensure a high attendance rate. You can communicate with your customers on the phone calls and by email simultaneously. It will eliminate the need for a manual search of the relevant emails and facilitate providing faster customer service. Another point of iCallify is that it supports help desk ticket system. On the support side, iCallify Help Desk Contact Center software provides a complete help desk ticketing system integrated within a feature-rich call center solution. Thus, without leaving the call center software, agents can raise, track, assign, log, and update support tickets. This powerful, robust, and scalable help desk contact center solution is capable of idealizing the whole process of customer concern management in a more professional and streamlined manner. Let's move to other USPs of iCallify. So next is Omnichannel. The Omnichannel communication experience involves using different channels or methods of connecting with customers and integrating them so that the customer experience is seamless regardless of the channel they use. iCallify is reowned to reinforce the processes for better and enhanced outputs. It replaces traditional customer communication with a more impressive, outstanding, and digitalized form of customer engagement with its digital engagement solution. iCallify is an intelligent omnichannel contact center solution that has an incorporated digital channels within the platform to provide a single view and control to all channels. It also preserves the context across multiple touchpoints to arm agents with adequate information to deliver exceptional customer engagement and experience. Through WhatsApp, it engages with clients in an emotional bond with emotions and rich media. With Twitter, we can manage a positive business brand reputation by delivering proactive support to customers. And Facebook socialize with your customer using the most popular social networking platform. Security plays a crucial role in call center. So it can have a feature like 2FA, which means two-factor authentication. It is a specific type of multi-factor authentication that strengthens access security by requiring two methods, also referred to as authentication factors to verify your identity. Then, whitelisted IPs are used to allow users to access the system based on the IP. In fraud detection system, it will allow or block prefixes. The numbers can be blocked with the help of blacklist module. Apart from this, it has integration feature which helps to send the call data to the third-party URL with one click only. It's very crucial feature for sending the call information with all the minute details. It improves sales opportunity with better customer services and excellent sales using the CRM integration solution of iCallify. It engages sale leads, increases cross-selling and upselling and increases productivity. Then it has click-to-call, which is a form of web-based communication in which a person clicks an object to request an immediate connection with another person in real time by voice over internet protocol. iCallify click-to-call solution is a powerful sales tool that accelerates the speed of outbound sale campaigns by providing calling facility at the fingertips of sales agents. Just clicking on the contact number of the lead will automatically dial the number and connect with that customer. Likewise, clicking on the click-to-call button will connect the customer with the agent. The iCallify click-to-call solution can increase sales, call rate and conversation rate 10 times more than the traditional manual systems. Features like compose mail and DID CID are beneficial. As in DID CID, the DID number can be used as a caller ID which can increase the call pickup ratio. Now after knowing about the iCallify, let's see how to get started with iCallify. If you want to start the iCallify, then it's pretty simple. You have to invest nothing to get started. Firstly, we have free demo available. You can request a free demo from our website and our team will give you a walkthrough to iCallify. After taking a demo, you can ask for free trial. Our team will create your trial account and provide you access. There you can access all the features of iCallify and can get idea about product. Then if you want to try iCallify on your server, and then we do also have lifetime free version available which you can download and install by yourself with auto installation script in few easy steps. If any difficulties in installing, then you can also ask our team to set up for you. For more information, you can visit our website iCallify.com where it has a dedicated community forum for all iCallify users where you can sign up and post your product related queries such as installation, configuration or any feature requests, etc. Let me show you. You can visit our website iCallify.com. For going to the forum, you can navigate to resources and then to forum. So here, this is the iCallify forum where we have different categories like installation, announcements, and you can also assign the tags. So here you can ask your queries and you will get your resolution as early as possible. version, if you want to upgrade your version to a growth or enterprise, then you can simply click on upgrade button from admin portal header and it will redirect you to upgrade form where you can fill all your requirements for upgradation. And our team will get back to you and suggest the best possible way to fulfill your requirements. So it's all about today's webinar. Now we will have query resolution. If you have any queries, you can ask here in comment box. Looking for the first query. If you have any query, please comment in the comment box. Yes. No, iCallify is not an open source. Any more queries? Okay then, let's conclude here. If you still have any queries, you can visit our forum or go to the website. Thank you for your attention and time.